You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. We're very girly here. So today I had this really cute company send me a couple jewelry pieces, and I decided that they were so cute that I wanted to make a lookbook for it. So this lookbook is gonna be like summer evening looks, which I'm super excited to do. And the jewelry fits well with the whole summer evening aesthetic, and it was cute, it was elegant. This company is called Farjary, and they have a website called farjary.com, and they sell jewelry, very nice quality jewelry for much lower prices. Cute little packaging they come in. So Farjary does sell a lot of different type of jewelry and for a lot of different type of events, and jewelry that has different types of aesthetics for everybody. So they have free shipment over $50, and they have a 30-day return and a 1-year warranty on the warranty card. I'm gonna show you the jewelry up close. It comes in this cute little box, Farjary. They sent me this beautiful, beautiful necklace. Look at this necklace, I love it. It could be a snowflake, it could be a flower, it could just be anything. It's so beautiful, and it's so small but dainty and would look perfect for any little black dress or anything. And then I have this ring and this ring. I just wanted something with a pearl because I don't have that much jewelry like that, and it is so elegant and cute. It's just, it like makes me feel like I'm worth $1 million. Like, it's just, I feel expensive. I feel gossip girl with this ring. It's so cute. Go check their website out, it will be in the description below, and I'm so excited for you guys to see what looks I paired with these pieces of jewelry. So make sure to check them out, and thanks for watching, guys, and let's get into the video.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look in
it's me, Jennifer Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here. If you'd like to follow, come through. We're very girly here, obviously. Today I will be doing a video that no one really requested me for, but literally after my updated iPhone X video, like what's on my iPhone X, everyone DM'd me about my iPhone wallpaper, and everyone was like, send me a link please, and I was just like, I made it. So, and then people were asking me for it, and then I didn't have it because I lost the original, so I sent like a weird version of it. Then I sent a couple older ones that I had. Literally so many of you guys DM'd me, like so many. Today I will be showing you how to make one that I showed in the video and like 2 extra cute inspo ones and stuff. And if you want me to send it to you, I could do that too.